Okay, today I will teach you how to install 3 PCS sample 8kW connect in parallel, okay, in the single phase. Now I teach you how to connect the cable between each other. Let's see the battery cable first. Okay, this is a battery cable, battery input. So this is positive to positive, positive to positive, and then negative to negative, and negative to negative, and then only have one group band. Okay, let's set in the first one. Okay, turn on the switch. And press the enter button. And choose setting 28. And turn off the switch. And enter. And choose PAL. Okay, enter. Yes, okay. And the second one and the third one, you need to do the setting, the same instruction like this. Okay. Now we connect the output cable first. The output cable, yes. Also, M to N, L to L. Now, the first one to the second one is L to L, and the M to N. Okay. The second one to the third one is also L to L, L to L, L to L. Yes, L to L, M to N. Okay, this is the AC output cable. Now we connect the cable of AC input. Okay. Okay. L. Yes. Then let's connect the L first. Okay. L. L. L to L. N to N. N to N. Okay. Okay, the second one to the three one also. L to L. N to N. Okay. Now we connect the communication cable. Yes. Okay. Also, here to here. Okay, this is the second one to the third one. Okay, now we already finished all the cable. Yes, let's turn on the switch. Turn on the inverter one by one. Okay, the second and the third. Yeah, the first one HHS, the second one is SL, the third one also SL,